For the people who still believe that Israel is only acting in self-defense, I want you to ask yourself this question. Where did Israel get the 150 hostages to be released if it started on October 7th? And that's only a small percentage of the amount of hostages that they have captive. So where did they get those hostages from if it actually started on October 7th? So then, using my brain, critical thinking, this must have started before October 7th. This is when you're using your critical thinking and you're not letting media just tell you a lie, a blatant lie to your face, and you're able to see the truth and realize that this did not start on October 7th.